This is the NaviCam by Ancon Technologies based in Wuhan, China. At first glance, it may look like a simple pill that you swallow, but it's really a tiny camera that serves as a potentially life-saving tool in detecting stomach diseases. The NaviCam is a mini wireless endoscope in a single-use capsule that's remotely controlled by magnetic guidance hardware. This consists of a magnetic guidance robot, computer workstation, and software. More specifically, this magnetically controlled endoscopy system, which can be manipulated using joysticks, is used to diagnose the upper gastrointestinal tract and small bowel disease. This innovative technology gives doctors precise control in a 360-degree full-grid scan with 2 frames per second, therefore allowing real-time visualization. Gastroscopy is invasive and not always well tolerated, and access to the stomach isn't always easy due to its extensive and irregular shape. Therefore, the NaviCam is an ideal screening solution, plus there is no intubation needed. In just 15 minutes, the patient can seamlessly and safely undergo a painless, non-invasive, non-anesthetic method that's also not cross-infectious. In order to use NaviCam, the patient undergoing the procedure must fast overnight, then drink about 1 liter of water and take Simithicone, which is a defoaming agent. This process is effective in reducing gastric mucus. It also inflates the stomach, which improves visualization for the endoscopist. During the procedure, a portable data recorder is worn outside the body and is secured to the skin with the help of adhesive pads. The miniature capsule, which is 12 mm by 28 mm in size, consists of a camera, an LED light source, a magnet, a wireless circuit for sending and receiving signals, and a small battery that can last over 8 hours. Meanwhile, the patient lies on a fixed bed, which is part of the magnetic guidance robot. The robot guides the capsule through the upper GI tract, including the stomach. This navigation can be done in either automatic mode or in manual mode using a joystick guided by the endoscopist. The end result is the robot takes high-quality photos automatically as it passes through the body and is expelled through a bowel movement. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.